Hey everyone, we are in Cuba, home to some of our favorite cocktails.
So when we came to Havana, we knew we wanted to get behind the bar and learn how to make some of the classics.
We dived into a lot of mojitos in Cuba, but it wasn't enough to just drink them. We wanted to learn how to make them. So we found our way to a little restaurant in Old Havana called Jibaro to get a masterclass in crafting mojitos cubano.
First important ingredient is mint. And one thing we learned in Cuba is that Cubans use spearmint, not other kinds of mint. And we're told that spearmint is crucial to getting that distinct Cuban taste.
Next up is the all-important rum. So naturally the rum of choice in Cuba is Havana Club. It's one of our favorite rums. We actually prefer the 3-year-old to the other aged rums. For me, it just reminds me of Cuba.
It's light, it's lovely, it's really, really good.
Yeah, it's really great.
So next up is lime. We noticed that in Cuba, they often use freshly squeezed lime juice as opposed to just popping lime wedges into the cocktail and muddling it. And what this does is it keeps you from getting a swampy mojito. So fresh lime juice, bottles of fresh lime juice are made every day.
Now it's time to add sugar. I absolutely love having sugar grains in my mojito. I love the grittiness of it, but a common alternative is to use simple syrup.
Yeah, so simple syrup, they make it pretty regularly in Cuba. It's just a mixture of boiling water and regular sugar. And now what you want to do is muddle the mixture together, but very gently and just until you can start to smell the mint.
The next steps are pretty straightforward. You just add a generous helping of ice, add sparkling water, and then finish off the cocktail with 2 drops of Angostura, which gives it a nice light spicy tone.
The Angostura is an awesome finishing touch, and I was sort of surprised by it. It's something I didn't realize that they did in Cuba. Finally, garnish with a mint sprig and a strip of sugar cane if you have it for the perfect magical mojito.
Then you drink and repeat 3 to 5 times to maximize your late night walk home through Old Havana, just like we did. Another beautiful day in Cuba. What should we do now?
How about grabbing another mojito?
That's a great idea.
Let's do it.